Hello everyone. So in this particular video, we are going to learn about Python. So what is Python? So if you'll go for any interview, the first thing they may ask like which programming language you know. So as we are learning Python, we will say Python. Now next thing they may ask like what is Python and why you have learned Python. So let's understand what is Python. So Python is a high level interpreted and general purpose programming language. So let's understand one by one. What is high level means? So high level means it is very easy to understand. It is similar to the English language only. So suppose you have to declare any variable in a Python. So what you will write? If you write a equal to the 10, b equal to the 20. So you can see this is similar to the English language only, right? We can easy to understand. So that's why we say it as high level language. Now second thing is like it is a interpreted. So whenever you will write a code in a Python, suppose you have written this line of code. Now, whenever the execution happen, it happens line by line. It happens line by line. So it helps us to debug. So that's why we call it as a interpreted. So interpreted means the line of execution happens one by one. It means line by line execution happens. Now the third one is the general purpose programming language. What is general purpose means? So Python generally we use for the web development. We also use for the data analysis. We use for the artificial intelligence. We use for the machine learning. We use for the game development, web development. Like that, multiple purpose we use. So that's why we say it is a general purpose programming language. So whenever anyone will ask you what is a Python, you can say Python is high level interpreted general purpose programming language, and also you can say it also support the object oriented. It was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. So this is the one you have to remember. So what is Python? Python is high level interpreted general purpose programming language. Who created Python? It was created by the Guido van Rossum in 1991. Now let's understand about what are the key feature of Python. The first one is like easy to learn and use. So Python syntax are very easy. So suppose you had to print anything, what you will write? Print, and if you will write hello, the hello will be printed. Means the syntax are very easy. Means anyone can learn Python. So easy to learn and use. That's why Python is very famous. The second one is interpreted language. So Python code is executed line by line, which makes debugging easier. So as we understand, it is a interpreted language. Means the whatever the code of execution happens, right? That happens line by line, which help us debugging. Like debugging will be easy. Suppose this line is getting failed. So with because the execution happening one by one, right? So we can easy to debug. So that is the advantage we get. The third one is like dynamically type. You don't need to declare the type of variable. So in other programming language, suppose you have to declare a variable. So we also declare a variable like int and all, like suppose we had to declare string. So this all the thing you had to declare in other language, but in Python you don't need to declare the type of the variable. So that is the advantage we get in a Python. It is a open source. Python is free to use and its source code is publicly available. So that is the main advantage. Extensive library. So if anyone is asking why Python, because in a Python we get so much library available. Python comes with a vast standard library and third-party libraries like NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, Django, Flask, and more. We support diverse tasks. So as Python we use for the data analysis, web development, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and multiple purpose we use, right? Because in a Python we have a so many libraries which is available, and we can easily connect with the other software. Like if you have to connect with database and all, it is very easy. So because of this all the flexibility, Python is a very famous. Now next one is the cross-platform. Python works seamlessly across different operating systems like Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Versatile and multi-purpose. Python is used for the various fields like web development, data science, machine learning, automation and all. That's why Python is so very famous. So what you have to remember, what is Python? Python is high-level interpreted general-purpose programming language. And why we have learned Python? Because it is easy to use, because of the its interpreted language nature, because of extensive library it supports, and because of its dynamically typed nature, and because of its general purpose nature. Like we can use it for the web development, data science, artificial, like multiple purpose we can use the Python. So that's why Python is nowadays very famous. Now what we will do, we will try to write our first code in a Python. So what you will do, we will open our Jupyter notebook. So what you have to write, Jupyter notebook. You have to search a Jupyter notebook. This will come. Click on the open. I hope you have already installed the Anaconda. After that, you open a Jupyter notebook. So you can see it is opening here. Now what we will do, we'll go to new. We'll first create a folder. So because Python, I will write Python practical. We will do all the Python practical. So this is the folder I have created. In this folder, what I will do, I will create a Python notebook. So this is a Python notebook, and this name you can give. So untitled you can see, right? So you can give any name. So we will give hello world or something. Any name you can give here. So that's how you can write your notebook name. And here you can see, right? Here only we can write any code. If you have to add a more cell, you can add more cell like this. Now what we will write? We will write our first hello world program. So how actually you can write a hello world program? So in a Python we have one of the function. Function is a print. Print is a one of the function. Now what you will write? If you write print and hello world, hello world. Now if you have to execute, you can write shift and enter. If you will do, you can see hello world got printed. So it is very easy to use. Syntax are very easy. What we have written, print is one of the function. Under this print we are writing hello world, and hello world got printed. Similarly, if you have to write your name, and your name if you want to print, so what you will write? If I write Manish, and if I'll execute, Manish got printed. You can run from here also like this, or the best way is like shift and enter. If you will press, that will be executed. So like that, what we will do, we'll try to learn each and every syntax one by one. So yeah, so in this video we have learned what is Python, and also we have written our first code, that is a hello world. So yeah, in next video we'll continue this.